Hey, I'm Jessi, Shed's nurse manager. First of all, congratulations. Reaching your goal weight is a huge accomplishment, and you should be really proud of the work you've put in. So the big question becomes, what's next? What comes after goal weight? The answer is, it depends on you and what you and your licensed healthcare provider decide together. This is a great time to schedule a provider appointment to talk through your long-term goals, whether that's discontinuation, maintenance dosing, or another approach that supports your lifestyle. Generally speaking, it is safe to stop GLP-1 medication without tapering. Most people do not experience withdrawal symptoms or side effects when stopping. That said, dosing decisions can vary. If you're on a higher dose, for example, 12 milligrams of tirzepatide weekly or 2 milligrams of semaglutide weekly, your provider may recommend decreasing the dose more gradually. This is simply to support comfort and help with long-term weight maintenance. If you're on a lower dose, it's generally safe to stop the medication altogether. Some patients also find that transitioning to a microdose is the best option for their long-term goals. A microdose can support appetite awareness, metabolic balance, weight maintenance without the intensity of higher doses. It's completely safe to stop taking GLP-1 medication, and you should not experience side effects from stopping. However, to help maintain your progress, your provider may recommend a lower maintenance dose, a microdose program, or continued monitoring without medication. There's no one right answer, only what works best for your body and your goals. As you transition into the maintenance phase of your wellness journey, the Shed community is always available to support you every step of the way. You'll have access to expert-led courses, helpful resources, and our supportive community designed to help you sustain results and feel confident long-term. If you've reached your goal weight and are wondering what the next step should be, this is the perfect time to schedule a provider follow-up and create a plan that supports long-term success. If you have questions in the meantime, message Talk to a Nurse in your member portal. We're here to support you every step of the way.